How to display large numbers in thousands, millions, or billions in Excel. Working with large numbers can make an Excel worksheet difficult to read. To make the data clearer and more compact, you can display large values using K, M, or B for thousands, millions, or billions. In this video, I'll show you how to display large numbers in K, M, or B automatically. Method 1. Use custom format. First, select the cells containing the large numbers. Press Ctrl and 1 keys to open the Format Cells dialog box. In the dialog box, select Custom from the category list. In the Type text box, enter the format code you need. Then, click OK. The numbers are now displayed in thousands, millions, or billions according to the format code you entered. Method 2. Use Kutools for Excel. If you don't want to memorize custom format codes, you can use Kutools for Excel to format large numbers quickly and easily. Select the numbers you want to format. Click Kutools tab. Format. Number Format Helper. This feature offers 100+ number formats for quick formatting without complex codes. Here, I select number unit from the category list. Choose thousands, millions, or billions as the unit, and specify the desired number of decimal places. Preview the result in the preview pane. Here, I choose millions M integer. Click OK. Kutools applies the selected unit format to the entire range without custom codes. When values vary greatly in size, automatically displaying thousands as K, millions as M, and billions as B makes the data clearer and easier to read. Method 1. Use custom number format. Select the numbers you want to format. Press Ctrl and 1 keys to open the Format Cells dialog box. Select Custom in the category list, and then enter this format code in the Type box. Click OK to apply the format. Excel automatically displays each value with the appropriate K, M, or B unit based on its size. Method 2. Use a formula. Select a blank cell and paste this formula. This formula checks the absolute value in B2 and displays it as billions, millions, or thousands with one decimal place, adding B, M, or K. Values below 1000 remain unchanged. Press Enter to return the abbreviated result. Drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to the remaining rows. Method 3. Use Kutools for Excel. For an easier automatic solution, please apply Kutools. Select the numbers you want to format. Open the Number Format Helper feature. In the dialog box, select Number Unit from the category box. Then, choose Auto M, B, to switch between millions and billions automatically. Then, click OK. Kutools will automatically display each value in M or B without formulas or complicated custom format codes. Use a custom format to keep original values, a formula for separate results, or Kutools for the quickest solution. Choose the method that works best for you, and follow for more Excel tips.